Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly effective exercise that you can add to your daily routine. Hanging for 10 minutes every day. You might be surprised by how something so straightforward can have a profound impact on your strength, flexibility, and overall health. In this video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of daily hanging, including improved grip strength, better shoulder health, spinal decompression, enhanced core stability, and much more. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your fitness and well-being with just a few minutes of effort each day, stay tuned and let's get started. Improved grip strength hanging exercises are highly effective for enhancing grip strength, which is crucial for a wide range of physical activities. When you hang from a bar, your hands and forearms are actively engaged to hold onto the bar. This constant tension works the flexor muscles of your forearms, as well as the muscles in your hands responsible for gripping. Over time, this increased strength in the grip translates to better performance in other exercises such as pull-ups, deadlifts, and various sports that require hand strength. Additionally, a stronger grip can make everyday tasks easier, like carrying groceries or opening jars. Shoulder health hanging exercises are excellent for improving shoulder health. When you hang from a bar, the muscles surrounding your shoulders, including the rotator cuff, trapezius, and deltoids, are engaged to stabilize and support your body weight. This engagement helps to enhance shoulder stability, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall shoulder function. Regular hanging can also increase shoulder mobility by stretching and strengthening the muscles and tendons in the shoulder area. This can lead to better performance in activities that involve overhead movements and improved overall shoulder flexibility. Spinal decompression is another significant benefit of hanging exercises. When you hang from a bar, the gravitational force helps to stretch and elongate the spine. This can relieve pressure on the intervertebral discs and the vertebrae, which may be beneficial for individuals who spend long periods sitting or who have back discomfort. The decompression can help counteract the effects of poor posture and sedentary behavior by allowing the spine to stretch and realign, potentially reducing back pain and improving overall spinal health. Core strength. Maintaining a hanging position requires significant core engagement. Your abdominal muscles and obliques work to stabilize your body and prevent swinging or excessive movement. This constant engagement of the core muscles strengthens the abdominal region and improves overall core stability. A strong core is essential for good posture, balance, and effective performance in many physical activities, including sports and weightlifting. Regular hanging can contribute to a more robust and stable core, which supports functional movement and reduces the risk of lower back injuries. Posture improvement. Hanging exercises can positively impact posture by targeting the muscles that support and align the spine. As you hang, the muscles of the back, shoulders, and core work to maintain your body position, which helps strengthen and stretch these key muscle groups. This can lead to better spinal alignment and reduced tension in the upper back and neck, which are common areas of discomfort due to poor posture. By improving the strength and flexibility of these muscles, hanging exercises can help correct postural imbalances and promote a more upright and healthy posture. Increased flexibility. Regular hanging exercises contribute to increased flexibility, particularly in the shoulders and upper body. The act of hanging from a bar stretches the muscles and connective tissues around the shoulders, chest, and upper back. Over time, this stretching effect can lead to greater flexibility and range of motion in these areas. Improved flexibility can enhance your performance in various physical activities and reduce the risk of injuries by allowing for a more extensive range of motion and more fluid movement patterns. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of hanging for 10 minutes every day and found it useful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and health insights. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with hanging in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Remember, consistency is key, so keep hanging in there and reap those benefits, and I will also recommend you to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on screen now. See you in the next video, and as always, stay strong and stay healthy.